welcome to the class. Today's topic is types of farming. Yes, farming is different in different regions based on the geographical location and climatic conditions, availability of the technology and the labor. Different places followed different types of the cultivation or farming. Yes, there are mainly two types are there in farming. Those are subsistence farming and commercial farming. Yes, let us discuss about subsistence farming. So, subsistence farming is quite opposite to commercial farming. Yes, in subsistence farming, the farmers use traditional methods to grow the crops and they used very limited technology and the machines. So, they used less technology and less labor. So, the output of the subsistence farming also very limited. Yes, and subsistence farming is divided further into two types. Those are intensive subsistence farming and primitive subsistence farming. Yes. So what is intensive subsistence farming? As we told that in the subsistence farming, they used limited technology and they cultivate a small plot of the land in intensive subsistence farming. So, with the less labor, less technology, they cultivate small plot of the land in intensive subsistence farming. Not only that, in this type of farming, the land will give more than one crop. So, the main crop will be the rice in India and maize, millets, oil seeds and wheat are the other crops which will yield from the same plot. We can observe this type of farming mostly in the areas of south, southeast and east part of the Asia. Yes, the second one is primitive farming or cultivation. This primitive cultivation again classified into two types. Those are shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. So again we have to divide this primitive subsistence farming, which was the part in subsistence farming, divided into two types. Those are shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. So coming to the point of shifting cultivation. So the word itself, it is indicating that shifting. Right. Yes, a group of people will select a place and they will clear all the trees in that place, like forest place. Yes, after that they burn the trees over there. Then the ash mixes with the soil and that type of soil is good to grow maize, millets, yam, potatoes and cassava. Yes, the people will shift from that land to other land when the first land loses its fertility. Yes, when that land loses its quality, they leave that land and they will go to another land to do the cultivation. That's why the name indicated that shifting cultivation. So the other name for shifting cultivation is slashes and burnt cultivation. So many other names also are there for this type of cultivation. So shifting cultivation have different names in different countries. This shifting cultivation is suitable in the areas of thickly forested areas of Amazon basin, tropical areas of Africa, Southeast Asia and Northeast India. So these places are suitable for the shifting cultivation. And the second one in the primitive subsistence farming is nomadic herding. Yes, nomadic herding means which was done by the nomadic people. So who were the nomadic people? The people who keep on changing from one place to another place are called as nomads. Yes, this nomadic herding is suitable in the places of arid or semi-arid areas. Means the very less rainfall areas are suitable for the nomadic herding. Yes. So in our country, the places like Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir are good for the nomadic herding. These herders are the cultivators, the people who reared these animals keep on changing from one place to another place along with their cattle and the reared animals. Generally, buffaloes and goats, sheep, yaks are the general animals which are reared by these people. These animals will give milk, meat, hides and wool to these people. The next type of the farming is commercial farming. Yes, in commercial farming we have three types. First of all, let us know what is commercial farming. Commercial farming means the cultivation, land and the capital which was used for the cultivation is also very large. Yes, in commercial farming they will use much technology, machines. The three types in the commercial farming are commercial grain farming and mixed farming, and the last one is plantation agriculture. So these three are the parts in commercial agriculture or commercial farming. So let us discuss about the first one, commercial grain farming. In commercial grain farming, mainly they cultivated or they grow the crops for the commercial purpose, means to sell them in the market, not for the personal consumption. If you take subsistence farming, there the farmer grows the crops with the limited technology and with the traditional tools, and output is very limited, which was sufficient for the family needs of the farmer. But in the commercial farming, and that too in the commercial grain farming, the crops were grown to sell in the market. That's why they used vast amount of the technology and the capital to increase the production of the crops. And these are very good in the areas of temperate grassland areas in the world, like North America, Europe and some parts of Asia. Yes, the climatic conditions at the temperate grasslands are favorable to do the commercial grain farming. And maize and wheat are mostly used grains in this farming. In these temperate grassland areas, the crops were spread in the hundreds of hectares, and winter season is the very bad season to grow the maize and wheat crops. Yes, other than this season, the farmers can grow this crop throughout the year. So the next one is mixed farming. So mixed farming means we can understand that it is the mixing of two or more crops. Yes, at the same time, in this mixing production or the mixing farming, the farmers go to the plantation of the crop. At the same time, they will rear the livestock also. Yes, they will do these two activities combinedly. So in the places where the same agriculture and the livestock rearing combinedly developed, that type of farming is called mixed farming. With the intention of the profit making, if they rear the animals or the livestock and if they grow the crops at the same place or in the same place, means it is called mixing farming or mixed farming. This mixed farming is very popular in the countries of Eastern USA, New Zealand, South Africa, Southeast Australia and Europe. The third type of the commercial farming is plantation agriculture. Yes, plantations are a different type of commercial farming where it based on only single crop throughout the year. Yes, this is a very special crop for the farmer. So with the intention of selling the produce in the market, a farmer can select any one of the crop and he may develop only that crop in his field. So for example, tea, coffee, sugarcane, rubber, cotton, jute. So all these come under the plantations. In the world, the tropical regions are very favorable regions to grow the plantations. For example, tea in India and Sri Lanka, coffee in Brazil and rubber in Malaysia are very famous plantations. And the technology, capital used in these plantations are very huge. And the produce also will come in a huge amounts. So sometimes the process of the output may be done in the farm itself or it may transport to the factories. So this industry, the plantation farming industry, may leads to the development of transportation also. Yes, nowadays the plantation industry or the plantation farming has very big market in the world.